At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a TV station business can be a significant endeavor, requiring careful planning, investment, and compliance with regulations. Here's a general outline to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand the demand for TV content in your target market. Identify your target audience and their preferences. Analyze competitors and their programming. 2. Business plan. Define your business model. Will you focus on news, entertainment, sports, or a combination? Determine your target demographics and programming strategy. Create a financial plan outlining your budget, revenue sources, advertising, subscription fees, etc., and projected expenses. Detail your marketing and distribution strategies. 3. Legal and regulatory compliance. Research broadcasting regulations and licensing requirements in your country or region. Obtain necessary permits and licenses from regulatory bodies. Ensure compliance with content regulations and standards. 4. Infrastructure and equipment. Set up a studio with necessary equipment for filming and broadcasting. Invest in high-quality cameras, microphones, lighting, and editing software. Establish a broadcast transmission infrastructure, transmitter, antenna, etc. 5. Content production. Develop a content strategy aligned with your target audience and programming goals. Hire or contract professionals such as writers, producers, directors, and on-air talent. Produce original content or acquire programming from external sources. 6. Advertising and monetization. Attract advertisers by offering attractive demographics and viewership metrics. Develop advertising packages and pricing structures. Explore additional revenue streams such as sponsorships, partnerships, or pay-per-view options. 7. Distribution. Secure distribution deals with cable or satellite providers, if applicable. Explore online streaming platforms and apps for additional distribution channels. Build a website or app for viewers to access content online. 8. Launch and promotion. Plan a launch event or campaign to generate buzz and attract viewers. Utilize social media, press releases, and other marketing channels to promote your TV station. Consider offering promotional deals or free trials to attract initial viewership. 9. Evaluate and adapt. Monitor viewership metrics, feedback, and advertising revenue to assess the success of your TV station. Continuously adapt your programming and marketing strategies based on audience preferences and market trends. Stay updated with technological advancements and industry developments to remain competitive. Starting a TV station requires significant investment of time, money, and resources, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.